What if your favorite entertainment could follow you from your television to your computer, phone, or tablet? That flexibility is one of the main ideas behind IPTV. In the next 3 minutes, we'll explain what IPTV is, how it works, and what you need to get started. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. Traditional TV often reaches your home through a satellite or cable connection, sometimes with extra receiving equipment. IPTV takes a different route. It delivers compatible television content through the internet. The basic idea is pretty simple. An authorized IPTV service gives you account details or a playlist. A compatible player reads that information and organizes what is available. Then, you simply choose what you want to watch. The stream travels through the internet to your screen. Depending on the service, you may find live television, movies, and series, news, sports, children's programs, and more. A channel guide makes everything easier to browse. While selection and picture quality vary by service and region, you're not limited to just one television. IPTV players may work on smart TVs, streaming sticks, and TV boxes, as well as phones, tablets, and computers. Compatibility depends on the device, the player, and the service. Open your device's App Store and search for IPTV Smarters. Install it, wait for it to finish, and then open the app. The player itself does not include channels. Choose the login method supported by your authorized service. Enter the details it provides, then add the account. Give the player a moment to load everything. Once it is ready, open Live TV and choose a channel group. Save channels to favorites for quicker access later. You may also find program information, audio, subtitles, and video settings, if playback is not as smooth as you would like. Start with the basics. Check your Wi-Fi and keep the player updated. Move closer to the router or use Ethernet when possible. On an older device, close unnecessary background apps. With the right setup, IPTV can be a convenient way to watch across the screens in your home. Just remember, IPTV is a delivery technology. Always use authorized sources and follow your local rules. If this helped, follow for more simple IPTV guides.